Hey dumplings, today we're the Speedy Sisters, and not only are we going to talk really fast, but we're also going to show you how to take store-bought gnocchi and turn it into 3 amazing, easy, fast, quick weeknight dinners. Let's go! Speedy.
Okay. Today, over at the stove, we are going to be making a 1 skillet gnocchi and chicken and vegetable dish. Are you ready?
Hurry, hurry, Speedy.
Okay,
let's go.
Not that fast.
Let's go.
We're going to get started now with my helper handing me some olive oil.
Absolutely, with pleasure.
Thank you. We're going to heat this over medium heat.
Zucchini.
Look at this helper. So we're going to saute this for 2 minutes and add the rest. We're ready. Can you hand me the sun-dried tomatoes?
Sun-dried tomatoes coming up.
Thank you. And I will take the garlic, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper.
What's so amazing about this dinner is it's 15 minutes flat. What do you want?
I'll take the chicken broth.
Chicken broth. Lisa, what?
And, 1 second.
Denied.
And the half and half, please.
Lisa, what is your favorite
1
ingredient?
second. We're gonna bring this to a boil.
Lisa, what is your middle name? Esther. Lisa, when is your birthday?
No.
Your favorite color? Your teenage crush?
Oh, that one's easy. From Young and the Restless, Paul Davidson.
She wrote him letters.
Helper, can you pass me the gnocchi?
Packaged gnocchi coming up.
So we're gonna pour these in. These are uncooked, and they're gonna cook in here for 5 minutes. For the final step, we're gonna add rotisserie chicken that has been shredded, baby spinach.
Wow, that is a mountain of baby spinach.
It shrinks down.
That's what she said.
Chopped plum tomatoes and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. So this is going to just cook for 2 minutes more and we're ready to serve. Oh,
Home sweet home, back where I'm comfortable.
okay, some other ideas you can do with the ready-made gnocchi is you can make a mac and cheese. So really quick and easy. Another idea is a Caprese Gnocchi.
What's in that?
Just the gnocchi, you cook it, you add tomato sauce, you can do homemade, you can use a jar, and then just top it with some fresh mozzarella, bake it for 15 minutes, and it's ready.
People, you've heard it here first. You can have a speedy, super fast, scrumptious gnocchi dinner in no time flat.
For all these recipes, see below.
And click like, click subscribe, and for more amazing weeknight meals, head to bitememore.com. Do you like what I'm doing with my hands?
I do, what's happening?
Go to bitememore.com. It's emphasis.
Can you answer that?
This is the worst interview show ever. She's not answered a single one of my questions. Except for Paul Davidson from Young and the Restless.